In October 2015, the Air Force awarded Northrop Grumman a contract for the new B-21 radar. That's nearly 34 years after Northrop Grumman was awarded the contract to develop the first ever stealth bomber. So, in this video, we are going to take a close look at the B-21 program and its development. In 2014, a request for proposal to develop a next-generation long-range bomber aircraft was issued. The Air Force's initial plans were to acquire 80 to 100 of these aircrafts at a cost of $550 million per unit. Eventually, a development program was issued to Northrop Grumman in 2015, and then in 2016 at a warfare symposium, it was designated the B-21, signifying the 21st century's first bomber. So now, the Northrop Grumman's B-21 radar is a heavy bomber under development for the United States Air Force by Northrop Grumman as a long-range strike bomber (LRSB). Northrop Grumman is the same company that built the B-2 Spirit. The B-21 is to be an advanced, very long-range, large, heavy payload stealth intercontinental strategic bomber capable of delivering conventional and thermonuclear weapons. The bomber is expected to make its first flight in December 2021, and when it enters service, it is to complement existing Rockwell B-1 Lancer, Northrop Grumman's B-2 Spirit, and the Boeing B-52 Stratofortress bomber fleet in the United States service and eventually replace the aircrafts. The B-21's price is projected to be $564 million, which is just a quarter of the price of the B-2 Spirit. In 2016, the B-21 was formally named Radar in honor of Doolittle radars. The United States Air Force is also acquiring new long-range fighter aircraft that would accompany the B-21 radar deep into enemy territory. In fact, the United States Air Force has claimed that it has already built and flown a 6th-generation fighter aircraft. We previously made a video about this fighter aircraft, so links are in the description. The B-21 has similarities to the B-2 but also many differences. The B-21 moves engines closer to the wing root, whereas the B-2's engines are distantly apart from the fuselage on the wings. Also, unlike the B-2, the B-21 has overwing exhausts to mask the infrared signature from the engines, and many more differences. So, what do you think? Make sure to share your thoughts with us in the comments. Please make sure to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell, so you will always be updated when we upload new videos like this. Thanks for watching. Please don't just go, we have dozens of videos like this for you to check out. Click on another one and enjoy. Thanks for watching and see you in another video.